Okay, so let's now see the regular update of various IITs which are coming out with their its MS and PhD programs. So far this is there are 3 or 4 IITs which have come out with the forms for this winter admission. Now this is the first video we are uploading related to which IITs have come out with their last dates. You will keep on getting the weekly update on Yourpedia, and we will keep on telling you which IIT's last date have already gone and which dates are coming and what courses are coming. So as of now today, IIT Gandhinagar last date is already gone. So on Yourpedia we have already uploaded this video, but because this season admission was little early, so we did not start this process on Yourpedia. Now we have started it formally. So 24th August was the last date for IIT Gandhinagar. So that date is now gone. That was for PhD, direct PhD. IIT Indore last date is from 31st August to 12th September. For some department it is 31st August and for some department it is 12th September also. So please watch the detailed video of IIT Indore which we have uploaded for IIT Indore. And you require valid gate score, interview and LOR. LOR is something which you should see, that is called letter of recommendation. I will make a separate video who can give a letter of recommendation and what should be written in letter of recommendation. Roughly let me tell you, letter of recommendation is to be given by someone who knows you professionally, not personally, professionally, like your teacher, like the executive where you have done training, जहाँ पे आपने इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग किया है, वो LOR दे सकते हैं जो आपको जानते हैं, जिन्होंने आपके साथ काम किया है प्रोफेशनली. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर मेरा कोई रिलेटिव IIT में प्रोफेसर है वो मेरे को LOR दे सकता है, नॉट लाइक दैट. रिलेटिव, दोस्त, फ्रेंड वो नहीं दे सकते, प्रोफेशनली जो आपको जानता है वही दे सकता है. I will make a dedicated video for that. उसके बाद ICT Mumbai is a very reputed institute, Institute of Chemical Technology, that is a very reputed institute. 13 September chemical engineers के लिए this is the basically one of the best reputed institute. So 13th September is the last date for applying for PhD program. So as of now IITs are coming out with the PhD programs. Those of you direct PhD के लिए interested या MTech to PhD, they should try to apply there. IIT Bombay is the main IIT all of us are targeting, and IIT Bombay ने last date रखा हुआ है अपना 3rd September से 20th October के बीच में. तो 3rd September को I'll again come out with this details of IIT Bombay. So just to keep you updated, 3rd September से 20th October तक there can be written test, there will be interview and written test can also be there. So these are the 4 institutes this season for winter admission so far which have come. So keep yourself updated. IIT Gandhinagar, Indore, ICT Mumbai, IIT Bombay. We will keep on updating you. Peak will hit somewhere around mid of September. तो mid of September से mid October के बीच में maximum IITs के forms आएंगे. IIMs के form भी आना start हो जाएंगे for fellowship program in management. Keep watching Yourpedia, and those of you who are interested for consultancy of Yourpedia mentors to guide you thoroughly for the preparation of research proposal, for PPT, that is a new concept has come out. PPT बना के present करना during interview guidance, detailed interview guidance. So for that all, if you want it, please fill the Google form so that our executive get back to you and start mentoring you properly. All the very best. Great opportunity, as I told you, lot many seats this season because offline may start from next semester. So please fill the form and please apply and seriously prepare for that. लास्ट थिंग, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर कंफ्यूज्ड कि विंटर में अगर हम सर एडमिशन ले लेंगे तो गेट की तैयारी रुक ना जाए बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट. लेट मी टेल यू, आपका जनवरी से सेशन स्टार्ट होता है, गेट फरवरी में होता है. यू कैन मैनेज 20-15 डेज. लेकिन जनवरी से अगर आपका एडमिशन लग जाता है तो आपका स्कॉलरशिप मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. दैट इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी विद यू. सो स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग हियर सो दैट वी गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड देन वी डिसाइड वेदर टू गो और नॉट टू गो. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कीप वॉचिंग Yourpedia.